Hi, I'm John Cascio, and in this week's episode of Modern Maintenance, we're going to show you the importance of periodic maintenance. Proper maintenance is important for your forklift's reliability, longevity, and the safety of your employees. That is why here at Modern, we complete a detailed 78-point inspection of your forklift. Our periodic maintenance is an addition to the OSHA-required operator daily safety inspection. If inspections and maintenance are neglected, your forklift will lose its warranty and will cost you more to operate. Your forklift will break down more often and have to be replaced sooner. It could become a hazard for your employees to operate. The time interval for periodic maintenance is largely determined by how many hours a day the forklift is used, the operating conditions, and the manufacturer's requirements for warranty. We start our PMs by completing a full inspection of your forklift. We make sure your forklift is mechanically sound and safe to operate. We check components like the overhead guard, seat belt, steering column, brakes, accelerator pedals, steer axle, and mast. We continue our inspection by operating your forklift. We make sure your engine and transmissions are working properly. We operate your hydraulics and make sure they are functioning properly. We also check the operation of your brakes to make sure they are safe. During our PMs, we will check, top off, and change all fluids and replace all filters per manufacturer's requirements. We check your forklift for leaks to prevent having an employee slip and fall. We make sure your forklift remains warranty compliant. We will grease the mast and fittings, also lube where required. We will inspect your forks, chains, hoses, and tires. We will note all issues, check engine lights, and other safety concerns. Last, we will give you a full assessment of your truck and a quote to take care of any issues. If you should have any questions or would like more information on our PM program, please call Modern at 1-800-8-MODERN.